These channels got millions and tons of views, but why is that? So let's break it down in a quick video. I'm talking about these short animation videos. Between 15 to 20 seconds, very captivating, a lot of engagement and a lot of views. And one thing why they got so much views is because it's the core business of those channels is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are very easy to share, which increases the likes, increases the amount of views, and increases the amount of engagement. And that's perfect in the world that we live in today. So short form content. Second thing is they aren't normal videos, they're animation videos. So it's very captivating when it comes to the movement, the sound effects, the bright colors that they use. Like the brain likes that. So it's very captivating to watch. The third thing is when it comes to the stories that they tell, it's very relatable. A lot of people who watch those stories, and you can see it in the title, it's often about things that they go through, that people see on the streets, personal things, things you see in business. And if you feel that type of connection because you have been in that situation or you've seen that in a situation, you will likely watch the video. So this video right here
I think it's
and
only
those
right to start
afterwards
the video
are a
with
perfect
Mike's very
example
first
why
intro,
storytelling
the one he
is
got
important.
from me.
It's
Brett had
actually
recently been
all
born, and
comes
my parents
down to
invited
all
me into their
aspects
room to say
to
hi
one
to my
thing,
new
and
baby
that's
brother. As I said hello to
storytelling.
him, he reached out his
Storytelling,
hand and
storytelling,
scratched my
storytelling,
chest.
because it
Now,
connects with the audience, it resonates with your audience, and that will drive you to a higher force and higher level of engagement and views. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more and more.